Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about 5 important qualities to become a successful profitable trader. Now, there are a lot of qualities, there are a lot of skill sets needed to become a successful profitable trader. Now, in this video, I am going to share my experience, which I feel the topmost 5 qualities necessary to become a successful trader. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now the first point to become a successful trader is, who are you in the markets? Now many newbie traders, they enter into the markets and without knowing which type of trading style suits them, they would be dabbling in day trading. Now please remember, in trading you can make money by day trading, you can make money by swing trading, or you can make money by long-term investing. Now most of the newbie traders, they are trying only day trading and they are ignoring swing trading as well as investing. Please remember, if you are a working professional and if you are not able to spend ample amount of time in screen during live market, then please understand swing trading is more suitable for you. And if you are trying to do any day trades, then there are higher chances you will lose money, because during your free time you will be looking at the screen and you will be taking a trade forcefully without any proper setup. So a person who is having a day job should focus only on swing trading. Now, if you are an entrepreneur or if you are a homemaker, then probably you can prefer day trading. And probably if you are a person who is in your retirement age, then probably long-term investing would be suitable for you. Now, even when it comes to trading, there are opportunities for option buying and there are opportunities for option selling. So you have to find out which one is suitable for me. Whether I am an option buyer or whether I am an option seller, you have to decide. And even when it comes to long-term investing, there are options for short-term investing as well as for long-term investing. So you have to identify, who am I in the stock market? So this will lead to much more clarity in your approach towards trading or investing, so that you can save a lot of time as well as money. The second tip for successful trading is, don't be a spectator, be a trader. So many newbie traders are learning markets and then they are just being a spectator of the markets. They are just looking at the charts, they are not punching orders, or they are even trying paper trading. So this will not improve your emotion towards trading. So what you have to do is, you should be a trader and you should take trades every day whenever your setup has formed. So don't just be a spectator looking at the charts, staring at your screen. Just be a trader. Start punching your orders every day when your setup has formed. Now the third successful tip for becoming a profitable trader is, don't take trades based on your emotions. Avoid emotion trading. Now many people are taking a trade well before a resistance or support is broken. They are having FOMO and they are entering into the trade well before a breakout happens. And there are few people, they are taking trades in some companies telling that this stock gave me profits last month, this particular company gave me profits last year, and I worked for this company for almost 1 or 2 years. And based on these kind of emotional attachment towards a particular company, they are taking trades in a single company again and again, even if there is no proper setup. So these all belongs to emotional trading, and all kind of revenge trading, taking multiple trades in a single day, these all belongs to emotional trading. And in fact, even not booking your profits once your target is met also belongs to emotional trading. So please remember, say no to emotional trading. Now the fourth most important tip for successful trading is having your trading edge. Now what is the trading edge? Having a successful strategy and having a good accuracy, a good profitability ratio, and a positive expectancy is called as a trading edge. Now let's say, for example, I'm having CPR for my trades and I take trades based on my CPR only. So that CPR is my trading edge. Now you might be following any indicator or any concept. Make sure out of 100 trades you are profitable in most of the cases, and make sure your profits is more than your losses. So this is how a trading edge should be. Now there are a lot of newbie traders, there are a lot of working professionals still struggling to find out their trading edge. Now I have a good news for you. I have done a course in upsurge.club about price action strategy using CPR. I have covered all the basic strategies of CPR. I have covered all the advanced strategies of CPR. I have covered strategies for day traders as well as for swing traders, and also I have covered the best risk and money management practices. I will provide the link in the description below. You can click that and you can enroll right away. The whole point in making this course about CPR strategy is to make sure every newbie trader and every person who is struggling to find out their trading edge will be able to come to a final stop by learning our CPR strategies, so that it will be easy for them to understand and it will be easy for execution as well during live market. More than 1500 learners have enrolled and they have benefited from this course. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to join right now. The fifth and the final successful tip for trading is you are responsible for your trades. Now, there are a lot of newbie traders, if their stop losses hit or if they have lost money in the markets, they start blaming each other. They will be telling that strategy is not working, this strategy is not working, that news channel said about this stock and that particular person talked about this stock. I saw a tweet there, I saw Instagram reel over there. Like this, they will be keep on blaming their losses over other person. Whereas when they make money, they give the credit to themselves. So this should not be the case. You should understand that your entry timing, your exit timing, your position sizing and your risk and money management skills is what responsible for all your trades. So please maintain a trading journal to keep a track of all your trades so that you can learn from your mistake to be a better trader for tomorrow. So that's it. We have come to the end of this video. So 5 most successful tips for becoming a profitable trader is: who are you in the markets? So basically you have to identify whether you are a day trader or you are a swing trader or you are a long-term investor. So choose which is suitable for your mindset and then you can start focusing on that. The second most successful tip is don't be a spectator, be a trader. So there are many newbie traders, they are just looking at the markets, they are just staring at the screen without actually taking real trades. So you have to punch trades whenever your setup forms so that you will get used to the market fluctuations and you will get used to your emotions. And the third important tip is say no to emotional trading. There are a lot of traders, they are taking trades out of emotions. They are taking trade out of greed, out of fear of missing out of anxiety. So this should not be done. And even there are people who are taking trades in specific companies since they had past work experience or since they have made money in their past, and they are sticking on to one single company even though there is no proper setup. And the fourth important tip for becoming a successful trader is having a proper trading edge. So without a proper strategy, without a highly successful strategy and without a proper risk and money management skill, you cannot make money. So basically you need a proper trading edge, and that's why I have done a course with upsurge.club where you can learn the CPR strategies from basics to advanced levels, which might be the full stop for your thirst to find out the holy grail trading strategy. And the final important point to become a successful trader is you are responsible for all your trades. So stop blaming others for all your trading losses. You are responsible for your entry, your exit, your strategy, your risk and position sizing. So basically you should maintain a trading journal so that you can keep a track on it and you can understand what mistakes you have done so far and you can be a better trader tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share it to all your friends.